It's time for a little child's play with this Chucky-inspired look. Using the dark red of the Mehron tricolor palette, mark out the placements of the scars with your Mehron Stage Line 312 brush. After heating up Mehron's 3D gel to a liquid form, use the plastic spatula to place the gel over the previous outlines. Using the 3D gel, you can also add line stitching for an extra realistic 3D effect. Next, using the bright red of the tricolor palette, lay down the color over the 3D scarred areas. Then, take the dark red to add more depth to the scars. Diving back into the bright and dark red cream shades, use your finger to tap in some color around the eye area for a bruised effect. Using the black cream color, paint over your raised 3D stitches. Taking the coagulated blood and Stage Line 312 brush, dab the product into the center of each scarred area. Finally, use Mehron's Color Set powder to lock everything in place. Add your final accessories, and now, it's time to play.